Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is a highly requested video. A lot of people always wonder, like, if you're doing box braids, how do you make sure they all fall to the same length? Especially when you start getting to the top, they become shorter. So here's a video, slow down, to show you guys how I make sure that all my braids are the same length. Even the ones that's at the top, even the ones that are at the front, I still make sure that all of them line up with the back and the bottom box braids. Okay, so if you are interested in learning about that, then go ahead and continue watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, all right. Okay, so I left a few of the box braids like halfway braided so I can show you guys how I add hair to each box braid at the front usually, to make sure they all line up with the back, the bottom of the box braids. So as you can see, that braid is basically like halfway braided. I like to get small pieces of braiding hair and just literally add them to the braid. That is going to give them more length. If you always wanted to know how your box braids at the front always fall shorter, it's because, of course, it's more distance. It's more distance that it takes to get to the bottom of your back or mid back or whatever the case may be. So if you stop usually halfway the length of the box braid and start to add like little pieces, that will create more length, and then that would create the box braid to be more even with the other box braids. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Like, that used to be my major issue. I'm like, how in the world these box braids are short at the front? Like, how do I make sure that they're even and lined up with the bottom of the box braids, with the back of the box braids? And that is how, guys. It's so simple, but I got somebody to ask me a question, so I promised to show you guys like more of a visual. I'm sorry that there's like stuff in the background, the shine and jam and things like that. But yes, guys, I hope you understood what I did. I literally just added pieces to the box braid. Now, when you're adding pieces, I say add small, thin pieces, because all you want to do is just add length. You don't necessarily want to add thickness, okay? But you can do the same routine if you want to add thickness to the bottom of the braid, which nobody usually does because everybody likes that thinned out look on the bottom, and so do I. So usually when you're adding hair, braiding hair to the box braids, it is to increase the length of it, okay? Key points is to add thin pieces of braiding hair. If not, it's going to look bulky in the spot that you add it, and it's not going to transition well. It's not going to like flow the way you want it to flow, like all even. Also, when you adding the box braid, adding the hair to the box braid, you know how you have the 3 pieces of hair. You're gonna want to add the left piece of the braiding hair with the left piece of the box braid, and then the right with the right. The middle piece of the box braid hair that's already box braided, that is the only thing that's going to be not added in. Like, you're not going to add box braid to that part. You're going to add the box braid hair to the 2 outside pieces. That way, when you add it and you start it back to braid, it flows under the braid. That way you don't see any type of bulkiness or any type of like newly added hair. You get what I'm saying? So I hope you guys understood what I'm saying. Like, I'll do like a better video, like maybe a video on myself to show you guys what I mean. Yeah, so I just hope you guys understood what I was talking about. That is how you add hair to the box braid. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, but like I said, the key things are to add small pieces and then add it to the 2 outside pieces of the box braid. Do not add it to the middle because it's going to just look real weird. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.